Hi, welcome to Theorem. We continue our plane geometry lessons with this fourth video. Adjacent angles. Two angles which share one of the sides. Let's say one of their sides are called adjacent angles. Let's give an example. Let's think about the angle AOB and the angle BOC. So, if you look at the angles AOB and angle BOC, they have a common side, which is OB. So, angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Complementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 90 degrees are called complementary angles. A quick example. Let's say that this is a 90-degree angle. It's a right angle. And now let's think about this ray, which is OC. Now look at the angles AOC and the angle BOC. Angle AOC plus angle BOC equals 90 degrees. So, angle AOC and angle BOC are complementary angles. Now we have a similar pair of angles. This time they are called supplementary angles. Now two angles whose sum is 180 are called supplementary angles. Whose sum is 180 degrees are called supplementary angles. Okay, let's give a quick example again. Yeah, that was the example which I gave for adjacent angles. Let's say angle AOB and angle BOC. Angle AOC is straight, so it's 180 degrees. Angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees. So, angle AOB and angle BOC are supplementary angles. What about vertical angles? When two lines intersect, we see that they make four angles. Let's say that this is angle number 1, angle number 2, angle number 3, and angle number 4. In about these four angles, look at the opposite ones, angle 1 and angle 3, angle 1 and angle 3, and similarly this pair, angle 2 and angle 4, which are opposite to each other, and angle 2 and angle 4. These two pairs of angles are called vertical angles. So each pair are called vertical angles. For example, angle 1 and angle 3, they are vertical angles. Angle 2 and angle 4, they are also vertical angles. About vertical angles, we will write our first theorem. What is a theorem? Unlike axioms, theorems are statements or propositions which require proof. So our first theorem for our plane geometry lessons, it's about vertical angles. So I will write vertical angles are equal. Sorry, this A should be a lowercase. So how do we prove? It's easy to prove that vertical angles are equal. Think about two intersecting lines having these vertical angles, angle 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 should be equal to 180 degrees because that's a straight angle. That's a straight angle. And similarly, angle 2 and angle 3 are supplementary. Their sum should be 180 degrees again. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. These are supplementary angles. These are also supplementary angles. That's the reason why their sum is 180 degrees. So if you look at these two equations, their sum are both 180. So we can say that angle 1 plus angle 2 must be equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So subtracting angle 2 from both sides, or by cancelling these two equal angles from both sides, you will find that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So vertical angles are equal because angle 1 and angle 3, you see they are vertical angles. You can prove that angle 2 and angle 4 are also equal using a similar idea. There is no need to do it once more. Okay, so I'll stop this video here. I hope that you enjoyed and you learned. See you next lesson. Thank you. Bye. Stay with us.